everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here for Blueprint, which is Craftsy. So they like to be called Blueprint now. From what I understand, they were bought out by another company, and they're keeping everything the same, but they're changing some of the branding to Blueprint, which is okay, but I like Craftsy too, but what do I know? I'm not a marketing person. So, because I am such a good customer, they gave me 60% off of something, and so I bought what did I buy? Okay, I thought I just bought a kit, but it looked like I bought two things. Nope, I just bought one kit. It is the Brickyard Swan Show knitting kit, and I bought this color. It is Shayla Heather is the name of this. It's like a light tan color. It's pretty, kind of a very neutral color, and it's going to make this Brickyard Swan Show, which I think is just adorable. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna make it for my daughter. And here's another view. So I got a size small, which will fit her, and I'm not gonna start it right away, but I thought it would be nice to have so that I can start it for her after the new year sometime. So that is my only yarn purchase right now. Yay. I even went to the yarn store today and did not buy anything. I know. All right, I think I made up for it though last week. So, oh, I forgot to put that back in its little container. All right, well, that's all. I just wanted to show you my latest and greatest from Craftsy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.